Hi everyone, today we will study about magnets. We can define magnet as an object that attracts ferromagnetic materials such as iron. Next thing that came into our mind is who invented magnets. The first magnets were not invented, but rather were found from a naturally occurring mineral called magnetite. Traditionally, the ancient Greeks were the discoverers of the magnetite. There is an interesting story about a shepherd named Magnus whose shoe nails stuck to a rock containing magnetite. Now, magnets were first discovered in Magnesia. Magnesia is derived from the tribe name Magnetes, is one of the regional units of the Greece. Here you can see lodestone are the magnetite. So when we talk about the magnetism, we can define this magnetism or magnetic force as it is the force of attraction or repulsion exerted by a magnet. So magnet is going to exert a force of attraction or repulsion that is known as magnetism. We can say that it is an invisible force and this pulls or attracts metals objects towards a magnet. Magnets can be of different types. They can be natural magnets, they can be man-made. Here you can see some types of the magnets on the basis of their shape. If magnets are in the form of a bar, they are known as bar magnets. If they are horseshoe shaped, they are known as horseshoe magnets. And if they are circular in shape, they are known as circular magnets. So there are different types of magnets on the basis of its shape. One thing is common in all the magnets that all the magnets they have two poles. They have a south pole and they have a north pole. Whatever its shape will be, for example, if it is horseshoe shape or if it is circular shape or if it is a bar shaped magnet, all different types of magnets they have how many poles? Two poles, south pole and a north pole. Here you can see south pole and a north pole for a circular magnet. So when we talk about the term attraction, as we have already defined, magnets have a force of attraction or repulsion. Okay, magnet any object that has force of attraction or repulsion. So we must know what is meant by attraction. We can define attraction that it is a force between two unlike charges. Okay, attraction is a force between two unlike charges. For example, it is a force between an electron and a proton, a positive and a negative charge. So same is the case with the magnets. When two unlike poles come together, they are going to attract each other. For example, south and north pole, when they come together, they attract each other, and that is known as force of attraction. When we talk about repulsion, repulsion is a force between two like charges, two similar charges. Okay, whenever two similar charges they come together, they are known as repulsion. And poles that are same, they do not attract each other, these will repel. This means they will push each other apart and will not touch or attract each other at all. Here you can see in case of magnets, if two same poles they come together, they are going to repel each other. So attract and repel are two opposite things. So that is all for today's video.